Hello, hi everyone. My name is Fumiko. I was born in Yamaguchi Prefecture, which is located in south of Japan, and I have very strong accent. It is called Yamaguchi Ben. Ben means dialect. In Japan, we have many different dialects. A dialect is a version of a language that can have different accents, grammar, or sometimes even vocabulary. This picture shows only few dialects. Japan has dozens of dialects. For example, Okinawa Ben, Tohoku Ben, Kansai Ben, and Hakata Ben. The way people talk in the northern part of Japan can be totally different than the way people sound in the south, which might be really confusing for people learning Japanese. My dialect causes misunderstanding sometimes when I talk with people from other areas of Japan. One of the articles said that with regard to linguistic reasons, the fact that almost all Japanese have become bilingual in the sense that they can speak both their native dialect and the standard language is important. The dialects of the Japanese language fall into two primary groups: Eastern, including Tokyo, and Western, including Kyoto, with the dialects of Kyushu and Hachijo Island often distinguished as additional branches. Also, I want you to know most famous dialect in Japan. One of most famous dialects in Japan is Kansai Ben. The Kansai dialect is a group of Japanese dialects in the Kansai region of Japan. My dialect is Yamaguchi Ben. It is totally different from standard Japanese. For example, buchi oishii is Yamaguchi dialect. Totemo oishii is standard Japanese. This means very delicious. Other interesting Yamaguchi dialect is erai. Standard Japanese erai means person in a high position. However, erai in Yamaguchi dialect is tired. This word always makes misunderstanding. When I was young, I could not have any opportunities to meet people who is from other areas of Japan, so that is why I speak very strong accent. Therefore, when I came to Hawaii, I was surprised that many people ask me where I'm from, because I have very strong Yamaguchi dialect, which I did not realize that. It is so hard for me to speak standard Japanese now, because I used to speak Yamaguchi dialect. One of my challenges is to use honorific language. It is called keigo in Japanese. My dialect bothers me to speak honorific language sometimes. The existence of an honorific level of speech makes Japanese an extremely complex language. Keigo consists of sonkeigo and kenjogo and teineigo, with several levels in each category. I hope this presentation helped you to understand about Japanese dialect and my challenge in the future. Thank you for listening.